everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel based on the subject Maths. In this channel, you can see so many educational videos based on Maths. And today's educational video is about NCERT 6th class and we are solving 3rd chapter. So before getting into the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. Viewers, I just need your suggestions in the form of comments. So I enabled all the comment section. Please give your comments. So coming to today's class, in the previous class we just completed how to find the prime numbers with the help of one method that is called C.O. Eratosthenes, and he is nothing but a Greek mathematician in the 3rd century BC. He shown a procedure how to find out prime numbers. That's what he's just given. Observe that 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 is a prime number. Here 1 has been added to a multiple of 2 to get a prime number. Can you find some more numbers of this type? So yes, of course we can find 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Still any other prime number we'll get like this. Like that pattern he is asking. Okay, write all the prime numbers less than 15. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So we can easily identify that. And next is even and odd numbers. Do you observe any pattern in the numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. You will find each of them is a multiple of 2. These are called even numbers. The rest of the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are called odd numbers. Of course we all know this. All the multiples of 2 are called even numbers, and rest of the numbers are called odd numbers. In other words, we can say that a number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even number, and a number leaves a remainder is called odd number. In that case also we can go for that. You can verify that a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number is even or not. How can you verify? Just simple. If the ones place is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can say it is an even number. And if the ones place is other than 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then we can say it is an odd number. That's what he's saying here. So 350, 4862, 59,246 are even numbers. And the numbers 457, 2359, 8,231 are all odd. Let us try find some interesting facts. Which is the smallest even number? It is 2. Which is the smallest prime number? Again 2. 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. So we can say that 2 is the smallest even prime number. The other prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, 11. Do you find any even number in the list? Of course not. They all are odd numbers. So we can say that every prime number except 2 is odd. Yes. Because why all even numbers are not prime numbers? Simple reason, because all are multiples of 2 or are having more than 2 factors. So because of that reason, even number is not a prime number. Whereas odd numbers, some odd numbers are prime numbers, not all, but all the prime numbers are odd numbers. There is a difference. So this is the interesting fact. And how to find even numbers and how to find odd numbers? Just simple. In the last, that is ones place is either 0, 2, 4 or 6, 8, then we can say that number is an even number. Other than those numbers are there, then we can say that is a odd number. That's what he said. And moving on to the next exercise. Okay, so we will find out this in the notebook. Okay, let's get started the class. So what he given here, what is the sum of any two odd numbers and even numbers? So we are going to find out what is the sum of any two odd numbers or any two even numbers. So means odd number plus odd number is how much and even number plus even number is how much. That's what we have to find out. So I'm just considering an odd number is 3 and one more odd number is 7. So we got 10. So nothing but odd number plus odd number will give you even number, and even number plus even number. So 2 plus 4 we will consider 6. 6 is also even number. even number plus even number is equal to even number. Okay, so let's go for the next. So what is the question he given to us here is, state whether the following statements true or false. The sum of three odd numbers is even. So the sum of three odd numbers we will consider 3, 7, 9. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 9 is 19. So it is odd number. So the answer is false. The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. Two odd numbers is 3 plus 3 is 6 and one even number plus 2 is equal to 8. So we got even number. So that means the answer is true. The product of three odd numbers is odd. 3 into 7, 21, 21 into 1 is 21. Yes, odd number, true. If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. False, because 2 table even number 24, 2 ones are 2 and 4, 2 twos are 4. So the quotient is even number. But here he is saying odd. All prime numbers are odd numbers. Yes, just now we read that. Prime numbers do not have any factors. False, because prime numbers have minimum of 2 factors. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. So we will consider one prime number is 2, other prime number is 3 is equal to 5. Or we will consider 11 plus 17, 28. So sum of two prime numbers is always even, so that is false. Sometimes odd, sometimes even. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes. All even numbers are composite numbers. Yes, because they have more than 2 factors. All the even numbers have more than 2 factors. Because prime numbers have only 2 factors, that is the reason they are not composite. They are not prime numbers, they are composite numbers. The product of two even numbers, is always even. The product of two even numbers, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So we will take one more even number, that is 8 into 10, 80. So it is also even number, it is also an even number. So the product of two even numbers is always even, means true. Next, what is the question? The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Yes. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers. So here we have a list of prime numbers. In this list we can identify such kind of prime numbers. So if you reverse this, you should get that prime number. Okay. So that is 17 and 71 like that, and 19 and 91 like that. Actually 37 and 91. 91 is not a prime number. So 19 not come. 17 and 71. And still any other prime number we have like this. With the same number of digits, 13 and 31, 17 and 71. We didn't have any other prime number like that. Because 35 is not, 34 is not prime number, 37 and 73. So 37, 73, 13, 31 and 17, 71. 37, 73 we got. 92 is not a prime number, 14 not prime number, 34 no, 74 no, 35 no, 95 no, 16 no, 76 no, 17 okay, 37 okay, 97, 79 and 97 also. So what are the numbers we got like that? What are the numbers we got? 17 and 71, 39 and 93. What is the other number we got? 37 and 73. 19 and 91 is not a prime number because 13 sevens are 91. 89 no, 97, 79, 97 and 79. 97 and 79. These are the prime numbers we got. Okay, just the numbers 1 and 3. Like this here we have 1 and 7, here we have 9 and 3, 3 and 7, 9 and 7. So 9 and 7, like this we got. Okay, I hope you all understand today's class. Thank you, Corona warriors who are supporting for the Corona patients. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful to you, please share, like, comment my channel.